The long-awaited Fedora 42 is out now. If you are on Fedora 41, you can easily install the update from the software. If you don't see the banner for the Fedora 42 upgrade yet, just click on the refresh icon. Then it should appear. You will also see a similar notification if you are using Fedora KDE. It is important to remind you that before starting the upgrade process, other updates of the system needs to be fully up to date. It is to ensure that the system upgrade will go smooth. If you are using a pre-release or beta version of Fedora Linux, you shouldn't need to do anything to get the stable release, other than updating packages as they become available. However, it is highly recommended to run sudo dnf distro-sync in order to align package versions with the current release. If you want to start fresh, you can grab the ISOs from this website. The shiny new Fedora KDE Plasma desktop is now available as well. It is titled as the next generation personal desktop. That's it for today's video. Have fun with your new updated system. And thank you for watching.